Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cindy, and in today's video I'll be creating this makeup look that's super colorful and it has a really nice pop of color, which I really love. It's perfect for spring/summer, and I think you can really follow through this makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look, please keep on watching. I'm gonna start off with putting some concealers on my pimples since I have a lot of acne right now. So I'm just gonna put a lot of them and a lot of them and a lot of them to just cover up the pimples that I said already. But I'm gonna let them dry actually. As you can see, I have a lot of spots, so there's a lot of work to be done. I'm already having this concealer on my hands, so why not also sculpt my eyebrows. I'm just gonna blend that part of my eyebrows with a brush so that it looks more sculpted, and I have a canvas that I can work on, and I'm also using that. I grabbed my Morphe 35B palette. It has a lot of nice colorful colors, and I'm zooming in so that you guys can have a better look of how I'm doing my eyeshadow makeup. I'm just grabbing some of the orange shade and using that as a transition shade. Such a tongue twister. I'm just gonna place this all over my crease, kind of going a little bit up so that it has more definition. Since I have a smaller eye space, I think it will make my eyes pop more, but remember that you need to blend later on. I'm doing the same for the other eye, basically just creating that V outer corner because it looks so flattering to my eyes, and I really like that because it just complements your eye look. And I get a lot of compliments for doing this a lot actually. It makes people think that I got my makeup done by Patrick Ta. And I'm using a clean brush to just kind of smudge off the edges and making sure it looks more blended in. Basically keep doing this until you are satisfied with how it looks. And I'm grabbing the eye shade in the red one. Sorry, I don't know what I'm saying. But I'm grabbing that one so that it looks like bolder, because I feel like this one is not as bold just with the orange shade. So just do that and blend it around your eyes until you are satisfied. Okay. Next thing I'm just grabbing this concealer by LA Girl. It's the Pro Conceal one. I like this formula because it's very dense and it has a lot of products in it. It's not just water based, so it will help with your cut crease. Since that's what I'm doing in this video right now, I am cutting my crease so that I can apply a much lighter shade and it doesn't basically like crash with my red shade that I applied earlier. Yeah, sorry, it's kind of off camera because I'm again stupid. So I'm just doing that. I know I look crazy right now, but it's gonna look beautiful later, so you will thank me. Let some time for it to dry, and then I'm just gonna start with my foundation. I'm using this L'Oreal Pro Matte Foundation. I'm in the shade 104 or 103 I think, and I really like this one. It's been a favorite for a long time, but I also like the other foundation that I've used in the other videos. Anyways, I'm just blending this into my skin so that it looks perfect and flawless. And then we want to continue to the eyes. Since we already have our cut crease laid out and it's matte or dried up, I'm gonna start blending in. I'm basically gonna start placing that pigment. I'm using this blue pigment from Morphe 35B palette and just placing it carefully to my eyelids on the area that it's like a canvas, and almost creating a wing liner to it. Just gonna perfect it until I am satisfied. I'm gonna do the same for the other eyes. Once you're satisfied with this eye look, you can leave it alone, but I'm gonna place this Moonlight eyeshadow palette or highlight palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm placing the blue highlight color in the middle of my lid, and I think it looks more poppin', and I love it. It looks pretty. I mean, right now it doesn't look that cute yet, but you will see. I'm just grabbing some more yellow eyeshadow color so it looks more sunsetty than I wanted it to be. Since it is a colorful makeup tutorial, I like it to be colorful. I'm just blending it until I'm happy with the results, and then I proceeded with some eyelashes. Here I'm using this Chinese brand, and I'm gonna start bronzing my face. I'm using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I like this one because it's pretty neutral. It's not too warm, it's not too cool tone. It's just perfect for my skin tone, and I like it just to kind of define my cheekbones because I need that right now. And then I'm gonna apply some of the concealer just underneath my eyes because I have a little bit of fallout there. So I'm just blending in the colors so it looks more neat. I love this one so much. I don't know why I'm so excited to use this lip liner. I love this one, and it's the NYX Lip Liner in shade Natural. Look how natural it looks. It just is a perfect base for your lips. And we're not done yet. We're using the Golden State of Mind palette. Just using the blue one just to create that pop on my inner ducts and eyebrows, eyebrow bone, cheekbones. Basically just applying on the high parts of my face to look like you're from 2030. And then I'm just gonna fill in some of the parts of my eyebrow so it doesn't look too sparse. Here I'm using the L'Oreal lip color in the shade Pearl. It has a pearly finish and it's brown. It's very 80s or 90s brown, like what Monica or Rachel used to wear. I think I really like this shade a lot. So that is it for my video today. I hope you learned something new. I hope this was easy to follow, and if you liked it and enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and comment down below on what other kinds of videos you want to see me do, and don't forget to subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!